Parang hindi pa nakapag-dinner ang all. Magandang gabi, Bingo Plus family! Yes, silid ko yung mga 10 tables. What's up? Kumusta na kayong lahat? Ang mga nagagandahan, mga kumikinang na mga kabipi natin dyan. Or should I say, B-peeps. Yes. It's such an honor para mag-perform sa inyo on your anniversary. Hello po mga sir. Ho, epo. Ho, ami. Chinese. Alright, everyone. Nahanap niyo na ba ang inyong man I need? Sino dito ang nahanap na ang kanilang man I need? Sino? Ay, saan? Hinahanap talaga natin. In a sea of people, left and right, there's so many men. But the question is he the one I need? Oh my gosh! Saan? Big fan. Hello. Nice to meet you. Hello po, sir. Are you the man I need? Yes. Oh yes. Hello, hello. Are you the one?
Yes.
How?
We have to say birthday.
Like, oh, to the M, to the G. This is so unreal. Magkapares ba tayo ng magulang? Hindi, birthday lang. When's your birthday?
April 19.
Oh my gosh, same nga! My gosh, ikaw siguro yung kabal ko. Nagpares tayo ng pinanganak. I think you're the man I need. Are you single? Huwag na natin sagutin. Lalayo na tayo. Alright, I'll play my next song since aabangan nyo ang napakaraming malalaking artista, of course, na dala ng Bingo Plus. Para ma-entertain ang ating mga kabipips. Kaya naman, if you're the man I need, you can sing with me. Or naghahanap ka ng iyong man you need, you can sing along with me. Kaya music please!
Already know I can leave it alone. You're on my mind. And I need, baby. Talk to me, talk to me. Be the man, 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 man.
Thank you so much! Thank you so much, everybody. Ayan. Gusto niyo ba daw ng more? I think you want more big surprise. Gusto niyo ba yon? Sino dito ang may gusto ng surprise? Hindi yung in English na sabaw at kanin, ha? Ang English kasi ng soup and rice. So meaning, surprise! Wali. Okay, bye! Sabaw.
What if one simple wish could change someone's life forever? A wish